Zoe, if you don't get out of there, I'm going to be calling you by your last name. You have 5 seconds to get out of there. 5, 4. Okay, I'm coming. Just give a lady some time to get dressed. Oh, I'm going to say your last name anyway. It's Zoe Trent. Oh, dang it. I hate you, Cheetah. I mean, Star Cheetah. Guys, come over to the campfire. It's super cool. Okay. There's no more logs. Your stinking dog just took it. Oh, I got to the fire. Move out of the way, doggy. Oh. Guys, let's go near the bear cave. Let's drop off these berries. Because we have to pay them with something every week. These berries, the golden berries even in there. I'll just take it because I'm the bravest. Bears! We're paying you with something. Ow. What do you want? Baby bear's in there now. You're supposed to be napping. Baby bear, you're supposed to be napping. Okay, I'll go back to bed. What did you pay us with? There's 3 berries and a golden berry. Okay, that's enough. Oh, will you guys go save the abandoned seals while you're at it? Okay. Ah, snake! Guys, we need the mouse immediately. Now. It's in here. Look, it's a mouse. Eat it. Okay, you guys come past and go save the seals. Yay! Guys, let's go save the seals, the abandoned seals. Or if they're in the water, we can just go watch them play. Come on. Look at them.